Oh, hi there. I'm Stefan. I'm head of the animation school at Open Window, and this is our virtual campus. Feel free to join us here by navigating to virtualwindow.co.za, click on the open beta link at the bottom of the page, and we'll see you here. For more information on animation arts, just one moment, please. Animation arts forms part of the Bachelor of Film Arts, with subjects like motion design, 3D animation, and game design. We're always looking at new opportunities to expand our offering, so we also target game development and VFX. Most of the films that you see these days are VFX, in any case. But what I think really gives us our competitive advantage is that we believe in the careers in creative arts. We believe that this is the future and that innovation and problem solving are essential skills that we need going forward. We're passionate about our medium, we're passionate about our animation, to bring concepts to life and always look out for new tools and techniques to do so. Stay curious, always learn, work hard, but above all, have fun.